How's it going, everyone? It's Justin with Light. This is the Light EDC Kit. It comes two different ways. You can order it without the P&W pouch, or you can order it with the P&W pouch. There's really nothing different between the two. Just obviously, if you order it with the pouch, you get the pouch. The pouches are handmade by a company that we partner with called P&W Bushcraft out of Washington State. Just a wax canvas little pouch to kind of keep everything organized in there. But as far as the EDC kit, you're gonna once again have the Ranger band. It's kind of a theme with all of our products. You get a Ranger band. This is like a sliding lid tin. You're gonna get in like 3 to 5 fires out of this. Just a small little everyday carry type thing we were going with there. And you're also gonna get the Light mini ferro rod that comes along with it. And that is the Light EDC kit.